Good morning students, how are you all? Welcome to the online class of Geeta Global School. So today we are going to read GK from your Together with General Awareness textbook. Okay students, so till now we have read till chapter 8 and today we are going to read chapter 9 given on page number 15. So students, take out your pencil and you will write all the answers in your book with pencil. So students, let's begin. The World Terrain. What is the name of the chapter? The World Terrain, and from here we are starting unit 2, World Around. So let's see the question students. Z and Zeus are two aliens. Aliens मतलब जो दूसरे दुनिया से आते हैं. Who have landed on the earth while on an adventure trip. So they have come to the earth to find something new, something adventurous. They explore a lot of new facts. So when they have come to earth, they find many new facts and phenomena about the things they see on earth, and they find out the things on earth. Okay. They are also carrying a device called placeometer. So they have got a device with them. That device is called placeometer. And what is the use of that device? The use of that device is that wherever place they reach with that object, with that device, they come to know the location of the place. Okay. So given below is a part of their conversation at different places with the hints from their conversation. So they are talking to each other, and with the hint whatever we will understand from their conversation, let's identify what they are talking about and write in the box given here. You can see that all the numbers have got pictures. First let me show you the picture and then we will see what is the question. Please have a look students. Okay. Now see question number 1. Zeus says this spring keeps on ejecting water and steam after certain period of time. मतलब water निकलता है. Some time back it was just a few feet high, but this time it is several hundred feet high. So before some time it was not very high, but after some time what happened, this is several hundred feet high, and the placeometer says that they are at the Yellowstone Park. So where do you find this? The picture given here at the Yellowstone Park. So students, what is it? Please write with a pencil in your book. Geyser, Old, Faithful. So I am telling the spelling to you. Geyser, geyser, comma, old, old, then faithful, faithful. So answer number 1 is geyser, old, faithful. Okay. Now let me show you picture number 2. So have a look very carefully. Okay, you can see. Let's see what is it. Zeus watches a narrow strip of land. Narrow strip मतलब पतला सा, connecting two large areas of land. So this is connecting two different land. मतलब कि narrow strip of land है और ये दो अलग अलग बड़े बड़े land को, बड़े बड़े जमीन को connect कर रहा है. और प्लेसोमीटर क्या बता रहा है कि ये एशिया और अफ्रीका है. So what is this? Isthmus Suez. Okay, so write answer number 2. ISTHMUS, Isthmus, comma, Suez, SUEZ. Answer number 2, Isthmus Suez. Okay. Now number 3 picture. Please have a look. You can see water all around and a little bit of land. So let's see what is question number 3. So students, question number 3 is that Zeus states, I really love the vast stretches of blue water. मतलब ये पानी बहुत दूर दूर तक फैला हुआ है. And sands on this island. तो ये एक आइलैंड है जिसमें बीच बीच में सैंड है, बालू है और बाकी पूरा पानी है. I would suggest that let us arrange for a picnic in the largest group of island. So he is planning to arrange a picnic, and the placeometer tells that this is Indian and Pacific Ocean. So what is it, children? You can see Archipelago Malay. I am telling the spelling, so please write Archipelago, Archipelago, Malay, Malay, Archipelago Malay. So this is answer number 3. Now see question number 4. Okay, question. Their next stop is a desert. Desert means, you understand, that where there is sand, no water, very few trees found, and camel is the main animal, which is even called the sheep of the desert. So let's see. Isn't it amazing? See this mounds of sand kept on shifting with the wind. मतलब ये जो सैंड है, अगर तूफान आएगा तो ये उड़ के शिफ्ट करेंगे, है ना. तूफान के साथ बालू उड़ता ही है. बट ज्यूस इज क्वाइट अपसेट. व्हाई ही इज अपसेट? एज द सैंड हैज एंटर्ड हिज आईज. तो सैंड उड़ा और ज्यूस के आंख में चला गया. सो ही इज वेरी अपसेट. दिस टाइम द प्लेसोमीटर रीड्स नॉर्थ इंडिया. सो दिस इज अबाउट इंडिया, एंड विच डायरेक्शन? नॉर्थ इंडिया. सो व्हाट आर दिस? They are sand dunes, and where they are found? In the state of Rajasthan. So please write answer number 4. S-A-N-D, sand, D-U-N-E-S, dunes, sand dunes, comma, Rajasthan, R-A-J-A-S-T-H-A-N, Rajasthan. Answer number 4, sand dunes, comma, Rajasthan. So see picture number 5, students. Okay, let's read the question. Hey, be careful. Z holds back Jews as they peep into a deep valley that is walled by cliffs. The creation of this took place due to the erosion of a river. Erosion of a river मतलब जब मिट्टी धुल जाता है पानी से, तो इसको इरोशन कहते हैं. इरोशन ऑफ अ रिवर, इसकी वजह से ये फॉर्म हुआ है. और प्लेसोमीटर क्या बता रहा है कि ये एरिजोना में है. सो व्हाट इज दिस? आंसर नंबर 5, ग्रैंड कैनियन. सो राइट द स्पेलिंग, G-R-A-N-D, ग्रैंड, देन कैनियन, C-A-N-Y-O-N. आंसर नंबर 5, ग्रैंड कैनियन. Now see the last question number 6. I am showing you the picture. Okay, let's read the question. Zeus peeps inside a volcano. Volcano पता है ना कि उसमें से burst होता है and आग निकलता है, and finds a beautiful lake inside it. So inside the volcano there is a very beautiful lake, and it tells that it is in USA. So which it is? Crater Lake, Oregon. Please write C-R-A-T-E-R, crater, L-A-K-E, lake, comma, O-R-E-G-O-N, Oregon, Crater Lake, Oregon. So students, now fascinating fact is there. Let's see. The Crete Island, which is the largest island of Greece, is also known as the Island of Miracles. So like if answer in one word, name the Island of Miracles, then what you need to write? The Crete Island. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.